Today I'm going to show you how to make the most easy, delicious, amazing ricotta and lemon cake, which is gluten-free, grain-free, keto, low carb, and just delicious, a crowd pleaser and just amazing. I got the recipe from a magazine, an Irish food magazine, Easy Food. I really love this magazine and get it every month, and the recipe was in here, and it caught my eye and I thought I can definitely make this low carb and keto. So I set to it and experimented, and it's just come out beautifully. So I'm going to share that recipe with you today. I'll leave a link down below to the blog post where it has the full recipe that you can follow along, get all the quantities, everything you need to make it, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe and comment. I always appreciate your interaction on my videos. So let's get straight into it, and I'll go through step by step how to make this easy recipe. To start, the ingredients: you will need 500 grams of ricotta, 4 eggs, and now it just depends how sweet you want it. I used about 3 tablespoons, use 2 to 4 tablespoons of your sweetener, sugar of choice. I use stevia. And then lemon, a lovely lemon. We're going to use the rind and juice, half to a whole of the lemon, depends on the size of it and how luscious and lemony you want it. Now pop the ricotta into a bowl and then beat it all up until it's super smooth. Next, add in the eggs, one at a time. Once all the eggs are incorporated and you've got a lovely light mixture, beat in the sugar or stevia 1 tablespoon at a time. And finally, we add in our lemon, grate in the lemon zest and juice of half to a whole lemon, just depends how you want it. The original recipe had limoncello, which I'm not using for various reasons, so I just used the juice of lemon instead. If you're a limoncello fan and you're happy to include it in your diet, it's not low carb keto, but if that's what you want to do, that's the original recipe. The original recipe is 60 mils of limoncello. I'm using lemon instead. So beat that all together until you've got one beautiful batter, and then pour it into a baking dish. I used a rounded kind of baking dish I got from IKEA. The original recipe does say to use a square baking dish. Use whatever you want to bake your beautiful lemon and ricotta cake, and then pop it into an oven which is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and do it for about 45 to 55 minutes. Have a look around the 45-minute mark if it's getting a bit too tanned for your liking. Mine 50 minutes was perfect, and once it's cooked to your liking, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool completely. This is great whether you have it cooled or cooled all the way in the fridge overnight. It's a great make ahead dessert as well. Whichever way you choose to enjoy it, I hope that you'll find this recipe a good one to enjoy as the summer months roll in and you want a light and luscious dessert to enjoy. So yeah, check down below for the link to the blog post where you'll get the full recipe, and make sure that you leave a like, subscribe for more yummy inspirations, and a comment too. Let me know if you've made this recipe, what you thought. I look forward to reading your comments, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.